Hi all, welcome back to my channel PySpark Pearl. So in this video, I'll be discussing about one of the important interview question that one of my friend had faced recently in the interview. So this is actually the word count problem, normal word count problem that we get in the PySpark interviews. Like we can, we solve that with RDD. Like we can just map the partition and flat map the things, and then we get the values. So here we need to solve this using the Spark data frame. That is one thing, and the other thing is like that complex data. It is okay, like we are having some leading and trailing spaces are there, and then some special characters are there. Okay, so all this we need to remove and get the just the count of just the words in this data. Okay, so let us create this data frame, and we can just visualize this how this data frame is looking. I will just do truncate is equal to false, so that getting the clear output. And one more thing, like he got the like this is the question that I have tried to copy and similarize the question. The exact question was not this, so this is the exact output. Okay, like how the output should be. Yeah, so let us solve the question. So first of all, what we'll be doing, we'll be just creating on df is equal to df dot select. Okay, be selecting, and we'll be splitting first, right? We'll be splitting the data on basis of this raw text column. Okay, let me put this here. We're splitting it on the basis of this raw text column that we have given the schema text, and on the basis of what we'll be doing. This is raw text. Okay, so on the basis of space we will be separating. Just let us visualize this how this coming up. Given positional augment period. Okay, I think it's split. Okay, sorry, so this should be here actually inside this. Give inside this and just like this. Okay, so you can see like it has first level of thing we have approached this is correctly. We have done our things. Okay, and then we have split the raw text column, and now one more thing we can do, like now we need to explode the column actually. Okay, explode. Let's see this. Have you exploded the column? Why? Because we need to get this word count, but we are nowhere near the output is this. We can do this order by also, so that we can get the similar. Let's give this some alias. And see whether how much percentage of output we have made this similar. So we can see this another sentence, data exciting hello. Now what we can see, what are the mismatch that we can see? I think the first mismatch that we can see, like there are no words in our data which is in capital letters, right? So first of all, we need to make this call as a small letter. Let us make this first. Let us whatever changes we identify, we will be doing this. We'll be doing, right? So let us. We have done this lower, and now we will check the output again. Lower text on position number 2. Okay, sorry. I think here we need to give this bracket. Okay. Let's try again here. So now we are now coming somewhere near, right? Actions, and again we have not group by, so you can't see the count and all, but still like somewhere we are getting closer, right? all the words are in smaller letter, and okay, at least we are getting the format right. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to no, now one thing we can see, this special characters are there. Now let us try to remove this special characters. Okay, so I will be doing in the separate line. Okay, before the after the split we should do, let me give this enter, and I will be doing this in this line. Text replace. I have not imported this function at all. Actually, I have done this before, so it is already coming. But you need to import this function. Let me import this from PySpark.sql.functions. Import split we need to import. Okay, then explode we need to import. Then call function also we need to import. Then lower also, and then we are importing this regex dot replace. This function, this all function we need to import from this library. So these things we have done. Regex dot replace. I have given this, but I've not. This is the output that we'll be getting, right? Lower call, and this was the output of the split. Okay, let me check this once again. This was the explode, and let me get this. Let me give uh, one more. I want. So split will be here. Regex dot replace. Delete this first. Let me solve in this one line only because it will create some confusion. I will be explaining this. Okay, so let me check this bracket first. Regex dot replace. So regex dot replace lower column and split. Regex dot replace bracket here. Start from here. Okay. So actually this should be outside of the split. So it should be coming here. Okay. And now it is correct. And comma should be here. Now regex dot replace function we need to identify. So what of so first of all we need to check the characters. So this the special characters we need to remove this. Then this data and data, like three times data are coming, right? But this because of some special characters it is not allowing to match. So we'll be replacing this special characters. What are special characters we are getting? We can see this exclamation mark also here. World. Okay. So first of all this, then dot we are getting, and then comma we are having somewhere. I think comma also we were having. Okay, anyways, if comma is not required for us, right? So yeah, hello, comma. So we can remove this. With what we'll be removing, we will be just giving this empty spaces, right? And let me run this again. Okay, so you can see like this, we are able to separate this. Let me just do this group by also. Dot alias, we can give this enter here, and after this line, we will group this group by. Dot group by. What? Okay. So you can see some of the results we are getting now. Actions allow. Now one more thing that we are able to see. Now if we give this, this also is there. So let me do this with space. It is running fine, but some error we are facing here, right? You can see this another sentence. It is coming as one word, but there is nothing like another sentence here. Okay, another is one word and sentence is one word. So what we need to do, we don't need to replace this. We will need to split it on the basis of this. So we will replace this here, and we will just give one uh, pattern here on the on which want to split. Okay, I think now it should be correct. See, another sentence. So now it is coming correct. So what all we have done? First of all, we have uh, removed the special character, then split it on the bits of space and this hyphen. Now the other thing we can see, like the problem is with the leading and the trailing spaces in some of the sentences, right? So we need to do this. So we will just do this. Okay, trim. Let's not replace. You can see where this bracket ends here, and we will give one more bracket here. Okay. So I think this is correct, and it should remove some of the errors. See, see, some 8 rounds are coming, right? So these are removed. Now what we can do, we can filter this null characters /x00. So let me filter this. Filter all word not equal to. I'll just copy this characters. Listen, see the output. Last command failed. Okay. This object is not callable. Okay, sorry. Let me undo all the changes. I've given it inside the bracket actually. So it is giving an error. Remove this totally. It, I need to give this after before the group by and after this. Give it here. That's why it was coming error. Word. I didn't notice, right? Alias I've pressed an enter here and bring it in the new line. That's why it was giving error. No issues. We will just solve this issue. Okay. It should work fine now. Let's just see. Yeah, it's working fine. So we can see another issue was there, Uh, we were getting this 3 3, right? 3 3 counts were there. Almost we are getting to the correct output. A actions one. We can see. Yeah, sorry. I think I deleted this. Yeah, actions allows, analyze, and is coming 2 times. So almost we are getting the correct output. Only thing we can see, this three spaces are not removed by trim also, and the null characters also. So what we can do, we can apply another trim, okay, on this word column. Now on this df actually, on the word count df dot filter actually we will do, but no, we will be doing trim on this word column, all word. Okay, and what we need, we have done the trim, right? So what we don't want the, sorry, didn't give any condition here. We don't want this value because it will be trimmed, right? So like nothing will be in that space, so it will just give the count as 3. So we don't want this empty spaces in this word column, right? So now you can see it is exactly giving the correct output whatever it was desired. So this was the question that was asked in one of the interview from a friend. So definitely you can try this, and this is a good question and of good level at least actually. So you should go for it, and thank you, and keep watching my video, and please share and subscribe. I hope you like my video, and yeah, thank you.